Today I'm going to teach you how to add a folder in your GitHub repository. This is a fundamental skill for organizing your project files and keeping your repository clean and structured. Let's walk through this process step by step. First, open your web browser and navigate to github.com. Once you're on the homepage, go ahead and log in using your credentials. Make sure you enter your username and password correctly to access your GitHub dashboard. This is where you'll manage all your repositories and projects. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your dashboard. Look over to the left panel where you'll see a list of your repositories. Browse through and click on the repository where you want to add your new folder. This will open up that specific repository and display all its current contents. Now locate the Add File button, which is typically positioned near the top of your repository page. Click on it, and from the drop-down menu that appears, select Create New File. This option allows you to create both files and folders within your repository structure. Here's where the important part comes in. In the text field that appears at the top left, you'll need to type your preferred folder name. For example, you could type new folder /. The key here is to make sure you include that / at the end of your folder name. That / is what tells GitHub you're creating a folder rather than just a file. Without it, GitHub will interpret your input as a file name instead. After typing your folder name with the /, you'll notice the interface automatically recognizes you're creating a folder structure. Now you need to enter a file name in the next field. GitHub requires at least one file inside a folder for it to exist in the repository, so this step is necessary to complete the folder creation. Once you've entered both the folder name and the file name, look to the upper right corner of your screen and click on Commit Changes. This action prepares your changes to be saved to the repository. A dialog box will pop up asking you to confirm your commit. In this confirmation dialog, click Commit Changes again to finalize the creation of your folder. This double confirmation ensures you're intentionally making changes to your repository and helps prevent accidental modifications. Now that your folder has been created, navigate back to your repository's main page. You'll see your newly created folder listed among your other files and directories. Click on it to open the folder, and from here you can now upload additional files directly into this organized space. This makes managing your project structure much easier and keeps related files grouped together. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.